Good morning, dear students. I am your EVS teacher, and yes, yesterday we were doing lesson number 8, Plants and Animals Need Water. Now we will do rest part of the chapter. We have done that animals need water. Now we will learn about aquatic animals. Water is home to animals like fish, whale, and octopus. Few animals live in water. We all know fish, whale, octopus. These animals live in water. They need water to live. Animals living in water are called aquatic animals. These are called aquatic animals. Aquatic means related to water. Aquatic means related to water. These animals are aquatic animals. Like we have done aquatic plants. Similarly, aquatic animals. We know fish cannot live without water. Whale again cannot live without water. And octopus. These are water animals and they cannot live without water. These animals are called aquatic animals. These are called aquatic animals. Now read about little need of water. Little need of water. We know that all the plants and animals need water. Yes, we already read in the chapter, all plants and animals need water like human beings. But they do not need the equal amount of water. Few animals take less water, need less water. Few animals need more water. Similarly, some plants need less water and some plants need more water. Some plants and animals need more water, whereas some need less quantity of water. And aquatic plants and animals. Which plants and animals? Aquatic. Those who are living in water only. Those who can survive in water only. Those who grow in water only. Remember we done yesterday aquatic and aquatic plants are the plants that live and grow in water. So aquatic plants and animals need most water. They cannot live without water. Do you know that some plants and animals need very little water? Yes, some animals and plants are there, those need very less quantity of water to survive on this earth. Such plants and animals live in places where very little water is found. You know which place is there where very less water is available? That place is desert. See, desert area. Desert area we all know has very less quantity of water available there because it's a dry soil, sand only. So desert area has very less water, and the animals and plants which live in deserts, which grow in deserts, are the animals or plants which need very less quantity of water. Okay. Now read about them. Cactus. First of all, we will read about cactus. You know, cactus do not have leaves. They have these spines. See, sharp spines. Very sharp spines. Why they have sharp spines instead of leaves? You know, leaves are, leaves evaporate the water. Leaves need more water. And plants, because these plants are in desert, they have less water. So, the cactus plant is found in deserts where little water is available, where only little water is available, and the soil is very dry, and the soil over there is very dry. It is not having sufficient quantity of water in it even, right? The leaves in cactus plants get converted into spines. They convert it into spines to reduce the loss of water. Due to spines, cactus can hold water for a long time. Okay? Due to spines, cactus can hold water for long time. Next is camel. Camel is the animal that are found in deserts. Camels are found in deserts. They live in a desert because they store water in their stomach because they have large, stomach, a hump also. See. Okay, so they have a large size body and they store much water and food in their body to survive in the desert area for a long time. That is why camel is known as the ship of desert. Camel is known as the ship of desert. It can survive in the desert without food and water near about 1 month, more than 1 month, without water and without food. That is why this is called ship of desert. Desert rats and desert snakes also need very little water. Now again, these are also in desert area. Desert rats and desert snakes also need very little water. Now 3 animals we read about which need very little water. Camel, desert rats and desert snakes. They need very less water. So, here we have done with the chapter. I hope you understood and the chapter was interesting. We came to know about the need of water for plants and animals. Let's do the back exercise. Match correctly. Elephant. What is elephant? Wild animal or aquatic animal? It is wild animal. Tiger is wild animal. Fish is an aquatic animal. Whale is also an aquatic animal. And octopus is also an aquatic animal. Okay? Now come to the back grammar, back exercise of the chapter. Plants get water from rivers, soil or air. Underline the correct answer, soil, and put tick here. Okay? Plants, a plant which grows only in water. Cactus, no, it grows in desert. Neem, no, it grows on plains. Lotus, it grows in water. Okay. The water hyacinth plant grows only in water. Grows only in water. An elephant splashes water with its trunk. With its trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. Fish is an dash animal. Yes, we have done. Fish is an aquatic animal. Right? The cactus plant is generally found in deserts. The cactus plant is generally found in deserts. D-E-S-E-R-T-S. Deserts. Now circle the odd one out and give the reason. First one is lotus, water hyacinth, and rose and water lily. Yes, we have done that. Lotus is aquatic plant, water hyacinth aquatic plant, rose is not an aquatic plant, water lily is also an aquatic plant. So rose is not an aquatic plant, rest are aquatic plants. Camel, whale, desert snake, desert rat. Now अभी just मैंने आपको बताया desert snake and desert rat and camel. These are desert animals. They need very less quantity of water. And whale need more water because it is an aquatic animal. Fish, whale, octopus, camel. Yes, we know fish, whale and octopus. These are aquatic animals and camel lives in desert. Need very less water to live. Done. Next, write the names of the following pictures in the spaces provided. First picture is a water hyacinth. It is given in the book also, in the body of the chapter. You can learn from there. Do from there. This picture is of octopus. See, it is given here also. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Next is the picture of whale. W-H-A-L-E. Whale. Next is camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel is the ship of desert. An animal that stores water in its stomach. Camel. An elephant showers water on its body with its trunk. So here we have done the chapter with back exercise. Hope you understood the chapter carefully. Do reading of it again and revise the extra blanks from the body of the chapter. Goodbye.